past has always aimed to lead in quality, performance, and innovation. As we scaled, so did the need to align commercial strategy with operational agility. We needed more than just a software. We needed a platform to connect processes, drive insights, and enable smarter decision-making. That's where SAP and our partnership with Excellence Delivered came in. ExD didn't just roll out a system, they understood our business inside out, tailoring SAP to fit our sales flow, inventory models, and delivery goals. Since implementation, our overall workflow efficiency has improved by 30% across key teams.
With SAP, we have unified every core function from finance, production, procurement, and sales on one intelligent platform. ExD was with us at every step of this transformative journey, from planning and configuration to training and support, making sure the implementation stayed aligned with our business priorities. With ExD and SAP, we had laid the foundation for future innovations, from better resource planning to advanced analytics and AI-enabled capabilities. SAP isn't just a tool for fast, it has become a strategic pillar of our digital roadmap.
Thanks to ExD's in-depth domain expertise and consultative approach, we now have visibility across our supply chain and commercial operations. It's not just about automation, it's about actionable intelligence that lets us move faster and serve better.